Alle wa mama ken, lady a shake again. Alle wa mama ken, lady a shake again. Yawo, alle wa mama ken, lady a shake again. Alle wa mama ken, lady a shake again. Yawo, alle wa mama ken. Lady, I shake again. Alle fulle wa mama ken. Lady, I shake again. Yawo. Alle fulle wa mama ken. Lady, I shake again. Alle fulle wa mama ken. Lady, I shake again. Yawo.
Hi guys, I'm Òfún, and this is Àwọn, Ewé, Òfún. This is Ewé Wọ, Monstera deliciosa. Ewé Wọ is a very ornamental perennial fruit vine native to tropical Mexico and Central America. It is grown both indoors and outdoors and regarded as a highly sought-after exotic houseplant. It belongs to the element air. It is feminine, and it is gun. The Orisha associated with this plant is Ògún. The Odus associated with this plant are Ejogbe and Òfún. It can go to the mat for Omiero, especially for the Omiero of Ògún. Ewé Wọ has long been steeped in cultural significance and revered for its purported mystical properties. This striking plant, with its distinctive split leaves, is more than just an ornamental addition to homes and gardens. It is a powerful symbol of longevity and a shield against various forms of negativity. Ewé Wọ is highly valued for its ability to alleviate a range of emotional distresses. It is an effective tool in dispelling fears, insecurities, and feelings of restlessness. Those plagued by panic and a sense of persecution can turn to this leaf for relief. This makes Ewé Wọ a significant and important plant in a world where mental health is increasingly a focus. Ewé Wọ helps us to manage these challenges. Another significant spiritual attribute of the Ewé Wọ leaf is its effectiveness against depression and discouragement. In times of low spirits, this leaf acts as a natural antidote, providing relief and uplifting the mood. When using a bath made with Ewé Wọ, it should be taken as cold as possible. Beyond its emotional benefits, Ewé Wọ protects against spells and negative energies. In our spiritual practices, the leaf is used as a shield to ward off evil influences and for maintaining a positive environment. Ewé Wọ is not only about negating the negative, but also about promoting the positive. It is a plant that brings balance to Ori, which is essential for personal growth and well-being. So, Omiero, made with Ewé Wọ, can be used for wegbotorireo, head washings, also called weri and weleda. Additionally, the leaf being a gun leaf, it energizes life, it favors good fortune and prosperity.